Into the event management, venue inspection is one of the most important tasks and the role for every event management profile, for every event management personnel. Because venue is going to be that very location, that very premises, that very auditorium where you are going to execute and conduct the event along with your clients, spectators, participants, and every single body. So you need to understand the imperativeness of that venue. The very first thing you can do is you can be at that venue for 2 or 3 days. You can spend your time over there and you can try and understand various parameters, practices, and protocols that are being brought into use at that very location, at that very premises. The first thing you can do that you can understand how are the sanitation, how are the parking facilities, how is the security arrangements, and how such other activities along with navigation are into place, so that you can understand that at the time of actual occurrence of event there is no haphazard activity, there is no other element that can invade the privacy of the guest. So all such things have to be taken into consideration. For that you need to be there in advance and understand the venue protocols. Second thing, you can have a direct interaction with the support staff which is available at the venue. Whether they are cordial enough, are they really in a position to understand the language, the profile, are they really willing to communicate with the people who are going to attend the event, or they are hostile in their nature. So as an event management personnel, you need to keep them abreast. You need to update them that yes, this is going to be their role. This is going to be their KRA at the time of event occurrence, so that the customers, the clients, the attendees, the participants can be really greeted in the right manner. Third thing you can do, you can understand the gap analysis and then create a complete list of activities, the tasks which need to be carried out for the upgradation and betterment of the venue. This list can be shared with the owners of the premises, with the owners of the venue, so that before the occurrence of event that can be upgraded as per your own requirement.